What are the non-official drug information sources? Can they serve as secondary source of drug information? Well, we'll get to know all about these and much more information related to this particular topic in today's episode. So let's get started. Welcome all to IS Pharmacology Difficult Podcast. I'm your host, Dr. Radhika Vijay, MBBS MD Pharmacology, and this is the audio hub to get the best simplified basic tips, strategies, methods, and lots of ideas to learn better, understand better, and make your concepts crystal clear. If you really find, and there's a question hovering in your minds, is pharmacology difficult? Lend me your ears for a while and let in the magic of knowledge. In last episode, I told you about official drug compendia. What are they? Why are they called so? Now, for your updated, utter knowledge, I want to tell you that official drug compendia, it is serving as the primary source of drug information. And while on the other hand, non-official is the one which serves as a secondary source of drug information. Let me hit the information series by having initially a word about the Martindale. I know you have heard this term about this book so much. It is so famous in this particular subject of pharmacology. And it's famously also termed as extra pharmacopoeia, and it is actually the complete drug reference book. The Royal Pharmaceutical Society of Great Britain publishes it every 2 to 3 years. It comprises of an extensive detailed data about almost all the drugs used, approved, or registered all over the globe. This set of information, it is not biased by any false, fake opinions, thoughts, or information. It serves as a complete, reliable drug reference with all the knowledge desired and sought by every medical soul. It covers new drugs approved, launched in the market, their complete pharmacological profile, and pharmaceutical bearings. You can completely rely on this literature for all your reference and guide. That's so good. That really feels great. Now next, I will convey you in bullet point wise manner a list of other non-official drug information sources which contain miscellaneous, hybrid, mixed information about medicines and drugs. It includes trade names as well as generic names, and it's a general knowledge to share. What do I mean by saying it's a general knowledge to share? Because it has no restrictions about the legally approved drugs. So all this will be clear with the following examples. Just keep your ears open. The first one in the list is AMA, capital AMA, drug evaluations, where capital AMA, it stands for American Medical Associations. The next in the list we have capital PDR, that is the Physician Drug Reference. It is published from USA by the Medical Economic Publications. Next you have in list is Modern Drug Encyclopedia. It is again from New York, USA, published by York Medical Books. And the last in my list are the Drug Facts and Drug Comparisons, again published from USA. So now I think you all have enough knowledge about these sources of drug information. You can tell me on your tips, the official ones, the non-official ones. So what do you think? What's the next further step? What should you know about? More. Now you should move ahead and understand the few basics about the drug nature and from where exactly are we obtaining or deriving the drugs. All these knowledge sets are coming up in the next episode. For all the updates and latest episodes of my podcast, please visit www.ispharmacologydifficult.com, where you can also sign up for a free monthly e-newsletter of mine. It actually contains a lot of updates about the medical sciences, drug information, and my podcast updates also. You can follow me on different social media handles like Twitter, Insta, Facebook, and LinkedIn. They all are with the same name as Pharmacology Difficult. If you are listening for the first time, do follow me here, whatever platform you are consuming this episode. Stay tuned. Do rate and review on iTunes, Apple Podcast. Stay safe, stay happy, stay enlightened. Thank you.